How to fix Shazam app not recognizing songs. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and in this video we will see how we can fix if your Shazam application is not able to recognize any songs. So let's get started. First of all, launch these settings in your device. After that, tap on apps. Then again tap on see all apps. Then tap on the search icon from the top right corner and search for Shazam app in your device. Once you find it, tap on it. Then you will land on App Info page of Shazam application. From here, tap on Permissions, and here, make sure you have allowed permission for microphone in Shazam application. If not, tap on Shazam and then tap on Allow while using the application. Go back and allow other permission as well. Now once you have allowed all the permission, open up the Shazam application and check whether the problem is solved or not and if you're able to find songs there or not. If still not, again open up settings in your device and from here tap on apps and again tap on see all apps or simply find Shazam application and get into App Info page like previously. From here simply tap on Force Stop and then again tap on OK. Once you do that, restart your device and open up the application, and that's gonna help you fix your problem. So this is the way to fix Shazam app not recognizing songs, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.